Are you tired of spending endless time chopping vegetables every single day? If meal prep feels slow, messy, or exhausting, today's video is for you. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 best vegetable choppers you can buy on Amazon to make cooking faster, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. From compact manual choppers to powerful electric options and multi-blade slicers, these tools are designed to save time, reduce effort, and help you prep healthy meals with ease. Before we get started, if you're interested in home and kitchen tips, smart gadgets, and health-related advice, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Full Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. The Full Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is one of the most trusted and best-selling manual choppers on Amazon, and for good reason. This tool is designed to make everyday vegetable prep faster, safer, and far more efficient. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades that allow you to dice, slice, chop, and julienne a wide variety of vegetables in seconds. What really makes this chopper stand out is its smart, compact design. It doesn't take up much storage space, yet it delivers professional-looking results every time. Whether you're chopping onions without tears, slicing cucumbers for salads, or preparing carrots for stir-fries, the blades are sharp enough to handle it all with ease. The built-in catch container keeps everything neat and mess-free, so you don't have chopped vegetables spilling all over your countertop. The non-slip base adds stability during use, which is especially important when working quickly. It's also made from durable, food-grade materials, ensuring long-term use without wear. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its easy-to-wash components. For busy home cooks, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen, the Full Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is a reliable, time-saving essential. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper is known for its comfort, safety, and consistent chopping performance. Designed with OXO's signature ergonomic handle, this chopper makes meal prep easier on your hands, especially during longer cooking sessions. With a simple push-button mechanism, you can quickly chop vegetables with minimal effort and maximum control. Its sharp stainless steel blades deliver uniform cuts, whether you're chopping onions, bell peppers, or tomatoes. The clear container allows you to see the results instantly, helping you control the size and texture of your chopped vegetables. This is especially useful when preparing salsas, salads, or meal prep portions. Safety is another strong point of this chopper. The non-slip base keeps it stable on countertops, while the enclosed design protects your fingers from sharp blades. It's an excellent choice for home cooks who want precision without risk. Cleaning is effortless because the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Built with high-quality materials, the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper is designed to last through daily use. If you're looking for a dependable, comfortable, and well-designed chopper for everyday cooking, this one delivers excellent value.
Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is perfect for anyone who wants fast results without manual effort. Powered by a strong motor, this electric chopper can process vegetables in seconds with the push of a single button. Its 3-cup capacity is ideal for small to medium meal prep, making it great for families, meal planners, and fitness-focused cooks. This chopper handles onions, carrots, peppers, nuts, and even herbs effortlessly. The stainless steel blades spin quickly and evenly, producing consistent results every time. Because it's electric, it reduces hand strain and speeds up prep work significantly, especially on busy days. Its compact size makes it easy to store, while the simple one-touch operation keeps it user-friendly. The bowl and blades are removable and dishwasher safe, which means cleanup takes only minutes. If you're looking for a reliable electric chopper that doesn't take up much counter space but still delivers powerful performance, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is a smart, time-saving addition to any kitchen.
Number 4. Gorilla Grip Heavy Duty Vegetable Chopper. The Gorilla Grip Heavy Duty Vegetable Chopper is built for versatility and strength. Designed with multiple interchangeable blades, this chopper allows you to slice, dice, grate, and julienne vegetables with ease. It's ideal for home cooks who prepare a wide range of meals and want one tool that can handle everything. The durable construction feels solid and stable during use, even when chopping tougher vegetables like carrots or sweet potatoes. An ergonomic handguard protects your fingers while allowing you to apply pressure safely. The non-slip base ensures the chopper stays firmly in place, reducing accidents and improving control. This chopper is especially useful for preparing salads, stir-fries, and healthy meal prep quickly. It saves time while delivering uniform results that improve presentation and cooking consistency. Cleanup is simple thanks to removable parts that wash easily. If you want a powerful, multifunctional vegetable chopper that's built to last, the Gorilla Grip model is an excellent choice. Number 5. Oricom 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin. The Oricom 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is designed for serious efficiency. With 12 interchangeable blades, it offers unmatched versatility for chopping, slicing, julienning, and shredding vegetables. This tool is perfect for home cooks who love experimenting with different recipes and presentation styles. The sturdy design ensures safety and durability, while the non-slip base keeps it secure during use. It's especially useful for preparing large quantities of vegetables quickly, whether for meal prep, family dinners, or entertaining guests. Despite its multifunctionality, the chopper stores easily and cleans quickly. The blades are sharp, precise, and designed to maintain consistent cuts, reducing prep time significantly. For anyone who wants maximum performance from a single kitchen tool, the Oricom 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper offers excellent value and convenience. And there you have it, some of the best vegetable choppers on Amazon that can seriously save you time, reduce kitchen mess, and make everyday cooking a lot more enjoyable. Whether you prefer a manual chopper for quick prep or a multi-blade system for full meal planning, there's something on this list for every type of home cook. If any of these choppers caught your eye, you'll find all the product links and best available prices in the description below. Buying through those links also supports the channel at no extra cost to you, which really helps us keep bringing you honest reviews and useful kitchen finds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen gadget reviews, smart cooking tips, and top Amazon deals. Have a favorite vegetable chopper or want us to review a specific kitchen tool next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.